Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Social Science Academy. In this video, you will study chapter number 1 from NCERT book of Civics for class 7. Name of lesson is on equality. Equality is a key element of democracy. What is democracy? Democracy means every adult can elect their representative or leader by casting the vote. India is a democratic country. There is an equal right to vote in the country. What is the equal right to vote? In a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. This is called universal adult franchise. There is an equal right to vote in India. But do they equal in each and every aspect? Do they get equal treatment in the society? The answer is no. In India, people experience inequality in different ways. There are two common forms of equalities in India based on caste and religion. Mostly people being discriminated on the basis of their caste and religion they belongs to. As an example, two stories have given in the textbook. The story of Om Prakash Valmiki of the Dalit writer tells about the discrimination based on the caste. And the story of Mr. and Mrs. Ansari tells about the discrimination based on the religion. What is the recognizing dignity? When persons are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. The dignity of both Om Prakash Valmiki and the Ansaris was violated because of the way in which they were treated. Anyone's dignity should not be violated by anyone. Equality in Indian democracy. The Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. This means that every individual in the country, including male and female persons from all castes, religions, tribes, educational and economic backgrounds, are recognized as equal. While earlier no law was existed to protect people from discrimination and ill treatment, now there are several that work to see that people are treated with dignity and as equals. This recognition of equality includes some of the provisions in the Constitution. Which are the provisions? First, that every person is equal before the law. It means that from the president of the country and to the domestic worker has to obey the same laws. The second is no person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place of birth, or whether they are female or male. Third one is every person has access to all public places including playgrounds, hotels, shops and markets. All persons can use publicly available wells, roads and bathing ghats. Fourth is untouchability has been abolished. The two ways in which the government has tried to implement the equality that is guaranteed in the constitution is first through laws and second through government programs or schemes to help disadvantaged communities. One of the steps taken by the government includes the midday meal scheme. This refers to the program introduced in all government elementary schools to provide children with cooked lunch. Tamil Nadu was the first state in India to introduce this scheme, and in 2001 the Supreme Court asked all state governments to begin this program in their schools within 6 months. This includes the fact that more poor children have begun enrolling and regularly attending school. Teachers reported that their attendance has improved. This program has also helped reduce caste prejudice because both lower and upper caste children in the school eat this meal together. And in quite a few places, Dalit women have been employed to cook the meal. The midday meal program also helps reduce the hunger of poor students who often come to school and cannot concentrate because their stomachs are empty. While the government has made the laws against the discrimination, but then too people continues to treat people unequally on the basis of their caste, religion, disability, economic status, and because they are women. It is only when people begin to believe that no one is inferior and that every person deserves to be treated with dignity that present attitude can be changed. Issues of equality in other democracies. India is not the only country where people being discriminated. Many democratic countries in the world faces the issue of inequality. For example, in the United States of America, the African Americans they being discriminated. African Americans were treated extremely unequally in the United States and denied equality through the law. For example, when traveling by bus, they either had to sit at the back of the bus or get up from their seat whenever a white person wished to sit. Rosa Parks was an African American woman. Tired from a long day at work, she refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white man on 1st December 1955. Her refusal that day started a huge agitation against the unequal ways in which African Americans were treated and which came to be known as the Civil Rights Movement. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, or national origin. In this lesson, we have seen some of the forms of discrimination, some another forms of inequalities and the discrimination we are going to study in the further lessons. I hope you have liked my video. Like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.